Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So right now, we have some nice potatoes, and these are what we're going to be using to make our potato salad. And we're using here about 2 dozen because they're very small. You get where I come from? And mommy don't use peeler. She's going ahead and she's just peeling that away with her knife. Cut those into bite-sized cubes. You cut each potato into about 8 pieces, or depending on how big they are. So wash off your potato then.
Alright. We're gonna add our potato to the water to boil around 5 minutes.
You need just enough water to cover your potato pieces, you know what I say? And then we are going to add to that, my mother.
Salt in there because the mayonnaise have salt. Yes, we're gonna cover this and allow it to cook
for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium high. Alright, so our potato is at a boil now. You know what I say? Should be nice and tender now. Just going to deal with the vegetables to add them in there. You know what I say?
So we're gonna wash our mixed vegetables.
You see that? We wash everything in them.
Okay, so we're gonna add this to our potato, to do our potato salad.
So that's 1 pound of mixed vegetables. Cook that for about another 5 minutes or until the potato is very tender.
Yes, we're gonna remove the potato from the water now.
And of course the egg was added without my knowledge because mommy just tired and said she can't wait, but we put 1 egg in there and just make this come to hard boil, doesn't it?
Remove the egg from the potato.
Yes.
That's some cool water. Remove this.
Right. Mommy has strained off our potato and our vegetable. Woo! Eat! So see, the potatoes are nice and tender. You know what I say?
Good to go.
Up, good to go. Yep! A little part here. See, you want enough up myself and they up in a video. Because you know see me for a good while now. And so I show you how you can pick an egg quick and fast. This egg has already been cooked. I put it in some cold water.
So you're gonna crack your head with this.
Look at that. How to remove your egg, a hard boiled egg from a shell, 101.
Okay, you're gonna cut it up.
See how beautiful that egg look, perfectly cooked. That's how you deal with it.
Cut up the head.
So you just cut your egg into nice small bits, you know what I say? Serious chef. I'm going. Less than 1/4 teaspoon, just a sprinkle of black pepper, you know what I say? And I toss it around. So we use about 1/4 of a white onion.
Yes, and you like it, don't you like
Cut them thin.
you just scrape it like to get the juice.
Oh yes, scrape it out to get the onion juice flowing in the thing.
Alright, that is good to go.
And she kind of have them in a nice little chunks to provide texture in the potato salad, you see me? See it there? Up top.
So, we don't want the potato to mash. Yes.
Just stir that gently.
So we are not creaming potato, we are making potato salad.
Alright. You hear that now? And you generously mix that together. Look at that. Simple yet delicious. But guess what? The food tastes good, you know. A whole heap of love in it now. Parsley flakes, not the thing. Just for a little extra flavor, some dried parsley.
Alright, so we're gonna put this in the fridge.
Just get nice and cool. See it there now. Potato salad.
Another dinner for later. But know you fast girl and have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah.